Every day, 5 million tons of desert sand begin a journey that ends right here.
A sheet of glass so pure and so strong you forget it is even there.
It survives drops that would shatter ordinary glass. This is not luck. This is chemistry. Your pocket is a battlefield. This glass wins every time. Oil and water cannot stick. Your screen stays clean with a single swipe.
Some of these screens can fold. Others are so thin they weigh less than a feather.
From the moment you wake up and you touch it hundreds of times a day, it shows you the world in billions of colors. Every pixel, perfect. It responds faster than you can think. No delay, no ghosting.
But when it breaks, you realize how much you depend on it and how hard it is to make.
To the water glen, where we take you inside the amazing world of how things are made. Stick around until the very end because you won't want to miss a single second.
In the Arabian desert, miners extract sand that is 95% pure silica. Each truck carries 50 tons of sand to the first processing plant. Washing removes everything that is not pure silica. Only the best sand continues. Dried and sorted to uniform grain size-wise. Inconsistency is the enemy of glass. Each bag is tagged with its source purity and destination. Traceable from dune to display.
From the desert to the sea. These containers travel thousands of miles to high-tech factories.
2 weeks at sea. Then customs inspection and final road transport. Finally, the sand arrives at the factory, but first it must pass one last test. 99.9% purity. Any impurity would create microscopic defects. Only the purest sand earns the right to become glass. Sand alone is not enough. Soda ash lowers the melting point. Limestone adds durability.
This mixture will soon face the most intense heat on Earth outside of a volcano.
The furnace runs 24/7 at 1600 degrees Celsius. It never shuts down. Ever. At 1600 degrees, sand becomes a liquid river of molten glass. It flows like lava, but is carefully controlled. Too fast and it cools unevenly. Too slow and it crystallizes.
A single degree too hot or cold can ruin an entire batch. Precision is everything.
Platinum stirrers remove microscopic bubbles. Invisible defects are not allowed.
This is the fusion draw process invented by Corning. Only the inside surfaces of the glass touch air, creating a flawless finish. Thickness is measured every millisecond. Any variation is corrected instantly. It must cool slowly and evenly. Rapid cooling would create stress and weakness.
This ribbon never stops. It can run for weeks without interruption.
A laser scores the glass where it will break. The line is thinner than a human hair.
A precise mechanical stress breaks the glass perfectly every time. Diamond wheels grind each edge to perfection. No sharp corners, no micro cracks. Ultraviolet light cures the coating, making it durable and permanent.
Diamond wheels grind each edge to perfection. No sharp corners. No micro cracks.
Automated optical inspection rejects any sheet with a flaw smaller than a grain of salt. protected and stacked, ready for the next transformation, chemical strengthening.
Potassium nitrate salt is heated to 400 degrees. This is where ordinary glass becomes extraordinary. Sodium ions are replaced by larger potassium ions. They crowd together, creating a compressive stress layer. The exchange takes hours. The deeper the ions penetrate, the stronger the glass. Now the glass is 4 to 5 times stronger than before. It can survive drops and scratches. The stress layer is verified. This glass is now ready for the toughest tests. Plasma cleaning makes the surface chemically active, perfect for bonding the next layer. A layer just a few molecules thick repels oil and water. Your fingerprints wipe away effortlessly. Ultraviolet light cures the coating, making it durable and permanent. A high contact angle means oil and water cannot stick. The screen stays clean for thousands of swipes. One final human inspection before packaging. Every sheet is guaranteed perfect. Samples from every batch are tested to destruction. The breaking point must exceed 500 newtons. Robots simulate real-world drops. The glass must survive your falls onto concrete without shattering. A diamond stylus tests scratch resistance. Even keys and coins cannot match this hardness. From freezing cold to desert heat, from dry to humid, the glass survives everything. Hand sanitizer, sunscreen, and sweat. Nothing damages the coating or the glass. At 500x magnification, the glass is still perfect. No cracks, no impurities, no compromises. This is the same material. Raw desert sand on the left, high-tech screen on the right. The journey is complete. This furnace never sleeps. It consumes sand and produces the glass that connects the world. Robots handle the final packaging. Every screen is protected for its journey to phone manufacturers. 6 feet onto concrete. Most glass would shatter. This one survives. That is the difference. From the glass factory to phone assembly plants around the world, the journey continues. Thousands, millions of phones, billions of touches, all starting with desert sand. At the phone factory, the screen meets its final home, the last step before your pocket. Sealed and shipped to stores around the world, ready for you. From desert sand to memories, this screen will capture thousands of moments. Every day, billions of people touch these screens. They never think about the sand. And that is the point. It happens to everyone. But thanks to the engineering, you can just smile and keep scrolling. Not all glass is created equal. The difference is in the chemistry, the process, and the obsession with quality. From fire to phone. From sand to screen. This is the invisible journey. Behind every screen is a team of engineers, chemists, and factory workers who care. And tomorrow, 5 million more tons of sand will begin the same journey. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The factory never stops.
Every touch is a connection. Every swipe is a conversation. This is the interface of modern life.
From desert sand to the palm of your hand, the Product Lab, turning Earth into innovation. 1 grain of sand. 1 billion pixels. One incredible journey.
Educational content generated entirely using AI tools, scripting, voice design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.